Moisturise your hands before you begin. This will help the alginate mould around your hands and be released when dry. Using the same ratio of alginate to water, add these into a bowl. You will need to do this part very quickly. I used a cup for this and measured the same amount of alginate to water before I tipped it into the bowl. Do not use a glass bowl. You will need this to be flexible later when it comes to removing the mould. Place your fist into the alginate and leave it in position for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. The alginate will go sponge-like. That's when you know it's dry. Slowly remove your hand to leave your imprint in the alginate. Mix a bowl of plaster of Paris. This will need to be enough for the amount of alginate moulds you have created. Add approximately 10 heaped spoons of plaster of Paris and add in the water. If the plaster is sitting on top of the water, then you have enough. If not, you will need to add more. Keep stirring so there are no lumps. Pour the plaster of Paris into the alginate hand moulds and leave to set for around 30 minutes. Keep checking on it and pour away any spare water that sits on top of the plaster. Tip out the mould and remove the alginate from the plaster slowly. You will then be left with your plaster cast hand mould.